Hello developers. Today we're going to talk about the Describe tool, and you can see right here where I'm on the actual help page for the Describe. I recommend you read about it. There's a lot of flags that you can use with this tool. I'm going to be covering only a few flags. Here I'm on the actual pull request, and here you can see I have no description and a very basic header. So I'm going to add to the comment a /describe command, which is going to activate the tool Describe with the flags for extra instructions. And I'm going to say, give me the type and a summary, and then give me a level of effort for the review between a 1 and 10. And I'm also going to tell it to generate the title for me. So I'm going to go ahead and comment on this. And now Qodo Merge Pro is going to go ahead. You'll see eyeballs come up. Read this command, activate the tool, and then create the description and the instructions and change the actual title for me. And if we look, the title's been changed. So if I come all the way up to here, it's an enhancement and add token validation, improve error handling, and it's a 5 out of 10. So this is something you can do with your teams and create titles and understand the level of effort and per the actual Qodo Merge Pro, and giving some description of the tool. And it's a bug fix, security and error, and a joke handler. So it describes all this information, and there's a lot more flags. So I encourage you to go to this page here to get more information and all the different flags you can use for the Describe. Happy coding with Qodo.